A brand makes a claim that something is universally flattering, I almost never believe it. Clinique Black Honey was the first time that I've been proven wrong. The shade has the perfect mix of reds and blues, making it very neutral. I just went to Ulta and saw that they have a Black Honey eyeshadow palette now, so let's do a full face of Black Honey. Starting with the Black Honey blush, I will say if you have a deeper skin tone, this is not gonna work for you, but on medium dark skin tones, this is so beautiful. I would have liked to see more maroons, purples, or pinks, but let's see if it's equally as universally flattering. With the purple shade on my crease here, that is actually really pigmented. I feel like it's slightly giving black eye, but let's continue with this. Cells never show up on my skin tone. That actually looks more gold. What the heck? I wasn't expecting to like this palette, but I'm actually impressed. Black Honey lipstick is the perfect Your Lips But Better lipstick. It's really sheer, so I wish they called it a lip balm instead. One more pigment, their gloss is the most beautiful gloss like I own. Black Honey, you are brown girl approved.